My business life was full of communications that weren't working. Finding the best way to communicate with busy prospects, customers, partners, and even our own employees was always a challenge. Our face-to-face meetings had some impact, but the cost per person was just too high. Web conferences were nearly impossible to schedule, and with only about a third of the people who were registered actually attending, we saw very little return. Email blasts were inexpensive, but response rates were very low, often under 3%. Even if we reached our audience, we couldn't tell who was impacted or how our messages were being received. Everyone in the company was communicating with the same daily frustrations. We'd all sacrifice impact for cost without ever questioning why. That's just the way it was. We never thought there'd be a better option. Then we discovered Brainshark, a business communication so unique it answered questions we didn't even know we had. Questions about impact and insight and real-time results. Brainshark Communications combine visuals and voice to give our presentations the high impact of live meetings at the low cost of email. But then there's this whole other dimension. Brainsharks can be viewed on demand. That means those busy people can now view our communications at their convenience. Nights, weekends, at home, on the road, and as often as they want. They are really engaged now. We know because we get real-time proof of who watched, when, and for how long. And we're getting feedback like never before. We've got more satisfied customers, better informed employees, and revenues are going up. But here's the real surprise. Brainshark actually saves you money. Imagine saving 90% of the costs you've been pouring into live meetings by using Brainshark instead. We've had such great success with Brainshark that people are using it all across the company, which is simple to do because Brainshark is web-based and very easy to use. All you need is a phone, a presentation or document, and access to the internet. That's it. At a time when we're all under pressure to deliver better results using fewer resources, Brainshark lets you do it in a fresh and innovative way. So imagine how Brainshark can help you. Brainshark it and get results.